Before you start the caramel sauce, have all of your cooking utensils and ingredients ready, because once the sugar starts to caramelize, you can't leave it unattended. Using a heavy-bottomed pot with high sides, add the sugar and the water and turn the heat to medium-low. Let it come to a boil without touching it. You don't want to stir the sugar in the beginning. Let the sugar dissolve and continue to cook, watching carefully as the sugar begins to brown. If any sugar bubbles up onto the sides of the pot, be sure to wipe them down using a clean pastry brush dipped in water. Do be careful when making caramel sauce because it's very hot. Just one drop on your skin will stick and seriously burn you. You can see here that the sugar is starting to turn an amber color. It will caramelize very quickly now. Make sure you have the cream ready along with your whisk. At this point, you can swirl the pan around a bit to make sure it's getting even color. Many people stop cooking the sugar too soon, and the result is a weak and sugary syrup. There is a fine line between not quite enough color and burnt sugar, but you will get the hang of it. Cook it until it turns a dark amber color and is just beginning to smoke. You are looking for an almost reddish-brown color. This is perfect. Now immediately take it off of the heat. You may want to wear an oven mitt at this point to add the cold cream, because as soon as it hits the hot sugar, it will bubble like crazy. Just keep whisking. Adding the butter to the caramel sauce provides a nice shine and a tiny hint of saltiness, which is a nice contrast. Notice the color and the consistency of the sauce. Now set the caramel sauce aside to cool slightly before you use it, as it's still extremely hot.